Okay, today we're going to talk about scale factor. A scale factor is going to be a ratio using similar figures. Okay, so when you see the word new, that is the same thing as an image. If you see the word original, that means the same thing as pre-image. So new is another word for the image. Original would be the pre-image. So pre means before something happens. So these are keywords that you need to know. If the scale factor is bigger than 1, and you can think of this as money, if your scale factor is bigger than $1, the picture is going to get larger. If the scale factor is less than 1 or less than $1, it would reduce. The picture is going to get smaller. Sometimes we would use the letter K for the scale factor. Okay, dilations. So dilations, it could get the new figure can get bigger or smaller. But the only thing that you're going to do to dilate a picture or figure is going to be to multiply your scale factor. You will never do any other operation but multiply, even if the picture gets smaller. All right, go ahead and pause the video if you need to fill in your blanks on your notes. Okay, we're going to go to the first part that we're going to look at. So again, a reduction means that the scale factor is going to get smaller. An enlargement means that the picture or the scale factor is going to get bigger. And scale factor just represents how big or small something's going to get. All right, so let's look at question 2. 4 fifths. So again, we're going to go to our Desmos, and we're going to put 4 divided by 5 so we can see what is the decimal form. So that's like 80 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down. So it's 80 cents bigger than $1 or smaller than $1? It's smaller, so this would be a reduction. That means that the picture will get smaller. So if I was to multiply a picture by 4 fifths, it's going to get smaller, it's going to reduce. Okay, let's look at example 4. I know that 8 divided by 8, it's going to give me 1, like whole dollar. So when my scale factor is 1, the picture is going to stay the same. Okay, so think about if I have a square that is 4 inches. And if I multiply that by 1, 4 times 1 is 4, so the dimensions stay the same. All right, so let's look at scale factor with question 5, 7 over 2. So you're going to go to Desmos. You're going to put 7 divided by 2, 3.5 or $3.50. So is that bigger than 1 or smaller than 1? It is larger than $1, so that's going to be an enlargement. So then all you're doing is writing the decimal form for me if it's not already in a decimal form. And then let me know if it's going to become an enlargement, reduction, or if the image is going to stay the same. For example, 1, it's already in decimal form. You don't need to convert that to anything. You just tell me if it's an enlargement or reduction. Same thing with 3, 6, and 9, and 7. All right, so go ahead and complete the rest of them on your Google form and then go watch video 2 or part 2.